Hello everyone, welcome to the introduction video about the Land Division and Measurements module in the eSurvey Civil Tools package. Do you often find it challenging to divide parcels or areas accurately? Do you spend a lot of time doing residential layout plans? We have a solution for you to perform any function related to land area or create residential layouts quickly and from within the CAD package. The Land Division and Measurements module of eSurvey Civil Tools is a comprehensive solution for anything related to land area division, preparation of residential layouts, or computation of land area land utilization. With this single tool, you can compute land area, divide land area based on the number of divisions or percentages easily, create area report, create side dimensions, assign numbers to the plots, convert measurements into different units, obtain land area summary, and also prepare residential layouts. Imagine you need to divide a parcel, closed polygon, into equal parts or divide the parcel with a specific percentage. To do the accurate division, it takes considerable time. As we know, most of the survey boundaries are not regular polygons. Let us consider dividing a survey boundary of 2000 square meter among 3 people. Mathematically, we can say it is 666.667 square meter for each of them. When we take that irregular polygon and try to divide the same in CAD package, we can note that achieving the exact area required, 666.667 square meter, takes a lot of time. The area division software will ask for a direction in which you want to divide and a number of the divisions you wish to make. Once you specify, you will divide the given polygon into a specified number of divisions. Similarly, it can split the polygon based on the set percentage. Preparing drawings for residential layouts is a tedious process. This process is easy with Lisp commands provided in the residential layout module of Land Division and Measurements. With these commands, you can quickly draw center line between segments and export the length of multiple roads to Excel. You can number the plots sequentially and generate area tables for multiple selected lots. You can also export the summary of the selected boundaries into a different layer. You can do measurement of plots along with attributes in minutes. Set the lot area measurement units, measure plot direction, number the plots, and quickly generate area summary table. Land surveyors extensively use these tools for preparing a residential layout, cadastral survey projects, command area survey projects, etc. Thank you very much for watching this video. To learn how to use the Land Division and Measurements software in detail, please watch the help videos. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road Infra Suite and Water Infra Suite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on +919 4495999709 or book online demonstration through our website www.esurveying.net.